How to turn off auto software update on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio. So if you're using any Samsung Galaxy phone and your phone is getting updated automatically, then here's how you can completely disable this feature. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. So if you want to stop your phone from auto-updating software on your device, the very first thing that you have to do is simply go and open up the settings app from a Samsung phone. And from the settings homepage, you just need to scroll down to the very bottom. And once you're here inside the bottom, you'll get to see the options software update. You just need to go ahead and tap on this. And now we can manually download and install the software you'll get to see. But the second option, auto download over Wi-Fi. That means if this option is enabled whenever you are in the Wi-Fi, if the software is available, this will be automatically downloading and install on your device. So all you have to do is just need to disable this feature, and from now your phone is not going to download and install the software automatically on your device. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.